Hi, I'm Chef Sanjay Kumar from Dana Restaurant in Curtin. We have realized that the gas has done its job. Now, with the new technology, things have changed and gas takes far longer and costly, of course. Induction can do absolutely everything which gas can do. Can cook your favorite grandma recipes. It uses electromagnetic fields which indirectly heats up the pot or pan which you're using. That gives the heat source for cooking. It's absolutely easy to learn. It's like using your iPad. Just use your fingertips and control everything. Even child can do it. You can do all sort of cooking on induction, be it steaming, grilling, slow cook, braising. All the traditional meals can be cooked, your favorite recipe which you have. So we have a pressure cooker, very super fast by itself, and induction makes it even faster. Simple saucepan for boiling any small thing, making soup, water, sauces. Traditional one people use for steamer, for steamed dumplings, momos, and that sort of thing. The induction is the best for when you want really high heat because it heats up the pan or wok which you're using it very quick, and heat is the key factor in, especially when you're doing a stir fry cooking for like Asian style food. It really helps to get the right flavor and maintain the texture of the food which you're cooking. It also does the slow cooking job really wonderfully because you can precisely control the heat and then you can time accordingly how long you want to hold the dish for without using even slow cooker. It does the job for you. My most favorite part of using induction is the safety and speed. Induction compared to the gas cooking, I would say it's at least 50 to 60% faster. And simple thing, if you're boiling water for boiling pasta, you'll see the difference. It gives you results quickly. Testing for the pots which are compatible, just test if it's sticking onto the base, and most of the pots have marking of induction friendly. Traditional pots like clay pot, for induction to be used, you need to have a compatible plate which transforms the heat to the clay pot. The cleaning of the induction cooktop at home, I think, is the easiest. Just damp cloth once you finish cooking, just wipe it clean. Even the commercial kitchen can start the process of having induction in their kitchen. Example, any dish which is taking traditionally 7-8 hours or even longer, have a small induction portable cooktop, have that dish transferred on a slow heat, which induction can do beautifully, and you'll see the amount of saving in terms of gas and cleaning after that. Induction cooking is the future of every kitchen, definitely better for cooking and for our planet as well.